Hi everyone, in this video I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to buy a domain in Hostinger. If you'd like to get a special discount on Hostinger, there's a link in the description that gives you an extra 20% off on top of their usual deals. The first step is to log into your Hostinger account. If you don't have one yet, you can quickly create an account before continuing. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Domains tab. Here, you'll find an option called Get a New Domain. Click on it, then type the domain name you want into the search bar and press search. Hostinger will now show you the available extensions like .com, .net, or .org. Pick the one that works best for your project. When you've made your choice, click Buy Domain. Next, you'll be asked to select a billing period, usually between 1 to 3 years. Choose how long you'd like to register the domain, then continue to the payment page. At this stage, enter your payment details, such as your credit card information, and then click Submit Payment. On the right-hand side, you'll see the total amount due, and once confirmed, the transaction will be processed. After payment, Hostinger will prompt you to provide domain registration details. Here you'll need to choose whether you're registering the domain as a personal user or a company. Fill in your required personal or company information, including your full name, address, phone number, and email. Make sure these details are accurate since they'll be tied to your domain ownership record. And that's it. You've successfully bought a domain with Hostinger. If you'd like to get a special discount on Hostinger, there's a link in the description that gives you an extra 20% off on top of their usual deals. I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials.